if you're feeling very sad or lonely or whatever it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Swarupa. It's 7 a.m. and I'm out in my society just walking, and I'm reading this book called The Art of Being Alone, which I'm loving lately. Also, I've just decided to get up early every morning because I really want to change my lifestyle, and the weather is like amazing right now because it was raining crazy last night, so it's kind of cold and feels really good. Okay, so I read something interesting and let me read that for you guys. Know one thing: you cannot be dependent on anyone. You will have to create enough space in your heart for yourself so that being with yourself feels safe and loved, and being with people feels like a bonus, not a short-term pleasure or escape. That is so well written. Okay, so basically the intention of me getting up early from today is that I really want to change my lifestyle and I want to document it so that you guys also get inspired, and if you are willing to change your lifestyle, so you can do that with me, and that is so cool. Like, we can help each other and just grow. So yeah, mostly I'll upload these kind of videos maybe on Monday or someday in a week, where I'll let you guys know about my routine and whatever I'm doing to change my lifestyle in a healthy, proper way. Hey guys, what's up? I'm heading towards gym right now. Today is leg day. I'm excited for that, and I'll take you guys with me. I'll show you what all exercise I do, and I hope you guys get motivated by that and you do the exercises with me as well. So yeah, I'm excited to go. I usually go in afternoons because there is like no crowd during afternoon, because evening and morning it gets a little crowded, but right now I guess the afternoon thing is working for me. So right now it's like 2:45, and yeah, it's sunny though, but it's fine. Like, I just don't want crowd and do my workouts peacefully. So let's go. Resting a bit, catching my breath. The light is so good here. Almost done with my workout. Just ending with some squats and lunges, and we'll do something for calves. literally dead. I feel dead. Crazy like workout is done. Although like workouts are my favorite. I don't know why, but like the intense like workouts like just kill you. And I did leg workout after super long because I had some injuries. So yeah, it feels good to be back. I'm happy. So you get like no cry. You get no crowd during afternoon. That's like the best thing. You can work out peacefully. You can shoot as well because there's no crowd. That's the best thing as well. So yeah, I'm going to head home now after 1.5 hours. Yeah, had a pretty good workout. Hey guys, I'm making a healthy salad right now. If you guys are interested, see this recipe and let me know in comments if you like it. I found this recipe on Instagram, which is super healthy and super tasty. It's definitely worth it. It tastes so good. It's so yummy. Also, it's like very healthy. You should definitely try it, and do let me know in comments if you try it and tell me if you like it. Hey guys, I'm just walking my 10k steps, which I have target of doing daily because I feel walking is best. I mean, it's one of the best cardio, so why not? So I divide my steps like 5k steps in the morning and 5k steps in the night, and I'm kind of eating in the window of 11 to 6 p.m. So I'm doing intermittent fasting. So yeah, like I walk सुबह सुबह and फिर सोने से पहले 2-3 hours before that, and it's good. And trust me guys, if you're feeling low, or if you're feeling very sad or lonely or whatever it is, you can just go for a walk, take your headphones, go for a walk, and I'm pretty sure you'll feel better. Like, let me know in comments, like try this and let me know in comments how do you feel. So you can start with 5k steps, then 8k steps, then 10k steps. I do anywhere between 10k to 12k, and I divide it into like my whole day because एक बार ही चलना थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है, तो can do like that, and trust me, you'll feel amazing, because walking is like the best for cardio as well, and you feel good also, so it's a win-win situation. Hey guys, I'm going to make such videos every week where I show how I'm changing my lifestyle with what I'm eating, what workout I'm doing, and everything I'm doing mentally as well. So if you guys are interested in such type of videos, do let me know in comments what more you would like to see in such vlogs, and for sure I'll shoot that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.